we are here second time, so that's to prove that we really like the place and like the place. We like the staff, we like the layout. It's got wonderful views of the sea. It's relatively quiet in comparison. It's very close to the harbour and also very close to the village. It's very nice. They are lovely local old traditional houses built around. There are some beaches which one can visit. Unfortunately this year there is an easterly wind which brings a lot of rubbish. It is a gargantuous task to do that. Nevertheless, you can find very beautiful pieces and places. And the sea is gorgeous, and if you are lucky enough and have a boat and you can travel from different islands like Chile and what's the other one? Karimun Jawa Inn, Jawa Inn.